Hey, what's up? I'm Brooke, and I'm going to show you how to tie a runner's knot. There's 3 different ways that I know about. The first is a loop, swoop, and pull. First, you're going to take your shoe, place it in front of you or on your foot. Take the 2 strings, cross them over. You're going to tuck it under, pull it nice and tight. Make 1 loop here. Take the other one, take a swoop around, push it under with this little finger here, where you'll find another loop, and pull it tight. Loop, swoop, and pull. Number 2, good old bunny ears. The second one is bunny ears, and I've never been too great at it. You take your strings, you're gonna make sure that they're nice and tight by tucking it under once. You're gonna make 1 bunny ear on this side, another bunny ear on this side, cross them over, tuck one underneath, pull it through, and you're ready to go. Number 3, magic fingers. Ooh. This one's brand new to my shoe tying game. First you take it, you cross it over just like you have before, nice and snug. Then you're gonna take both hands like this. You're gonna put 2 fingers in front of this lace and 2 fingers in back of this lace. Pull them frontwards, pinch each other, and pull it out. So easy and magical. Psh. Now you can show all of your friends your brand new skills at tying your shoes. Pretty sweet, huh? See ya.